Yeah. Do you feel it? Yes, Marcus Body Coding Live. If you look every day, remember, you see, we do. No excuses. Yes, no excuses. Are you ready? Let's go. Today, here, complicado. 2. Let's go. Yeah, this is the move. This is the move. Let's do it together. Remember, no excuses. I'll switch the cameras. Let's switch the cameras and do it together. We can start with the left or with the right. Doesn't matter. We start with the left. Let's go. We do heel. Now heel with the right. Step with the left. Step with the right. Now with the right. Heel. Heel, step, step. Again, with the left, we have left, right, left, right. Now, with the right, right, left, right, left. Once again, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left. Again, with the count. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. It can be also 5, 6, 7, 8. Notice that we move to the right. Heel, heel, step, step. We move to the right. Now we move to the left. Heel, heel, step, step. We're like drawing a rectangle on the ground. You see, we go here, we go here, we go here, we go here. Yeah. Now to the left. This is 1 point, 2nd point, 3rd point, 4th point. Yeah. Last time with the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Amazing. Amazing. This is the move heel complicado 2. Yeah, this is the move. And you know what? I have an idea. You're already here. You're still here. Let's do another practice. Right now, face to face. I want to see you. Let's practice right now, face to face. Are you ready? Let's go. Face to face. Okay, we can start with the left, with the right. We'll start with the left. Let's go. We go here. We go here. Step, step. Now with the right. Heel, heel, step, step. Once again. Heel, heel, step, step, heel, heel, step, step. Let's go with the count. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, first step here. Use your hands with the feet. Let's try it. When we do the heel, we use the hand. You see? Palms up, like serving something, like I'm a waiter. Yeah, exactly. Let's go together. Heel, heel, step, step. Heel, heel, step, step. One more time. Heel, heel, step, step. Heel, heel, step, step. Yeah. Now, do you want another tip? I feel that you want another tip. Let's go. This special move, heel cross 2, you can move with it. Let's try to move with it. We do that and we can change position. Okay, we can heel, heel, and we change here. Heel, heel, and we can change back. You can move with the move. Yeah, I can start facing to here, pa pa, and I can go pa pa, pa pa, and I can travel. I can even travel to the right. Let's go. I start here, and I travel. Continue there. Play with the move. That's the tip of the day. Cha-ching. And of course, remember, you can do this move in any kind of dance that you want. Yes, salsa, but not only salsa, hip hop as well. Bachata, Kizomba, Zumba, Rumba, whatever style that you want. Yeah, these are universal moves. Marcus Body coding. Yes, we code universal moves so you can do them in any kind of dance that you want, as well as in any party that you want. So Make sure to do it in today's party, whatever party it is. But why today? Why doing it today? Because tomorrow you have a new footwork. No footwork every day. Marcus Body Coding Live. So, see you tomorrow or see you tomorrow. What do you prefer? I have a small sense that we will meet tomorrow with a new footwork. See you tomorrow then.